Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of FotoStudioAI. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros, and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
So what are you waiting for? Real proof, I launched my own AI photo agency last week and made $1,200 within 24 hours, see video below. Future-ready AI software that does it all for you, be at the forefront of AI technology in the booming photo industry. Low startup costs, high AI profits, minimal investment required to enter the lucrative AI industry. We just randomly took a photo and this software turned it into a really professional headshot, very impressive. I think it's time to ask my boss for a raise. Dear future AI business owner, let's uncover the photo's gold mine and grab ourselves a pot of gold, shall we? Have you noticed the world is more visual these days? From LinkedIn to Instagram to TikTok. Everyone needs good photos on all their accounts. Not just that, from job seekers to working professionals and small business owners, the demand is huge. There are over 500 million professionals currently working medium to high-paying jobs across USA, UK, Canada, and Australia alone. At just $20 per photo, that's a $10 billion market you can tap into. Imagine if a person with no knowledge or expertise could literally get paid without even a website. Because you get commercial rights for all the photos created with the software, here's what typically I sell the photos for. That's right. They paid me $1,200 to do photos for a team of 20 real estate agents. I could not believe it. A person like me with no experience or knowledge of photography easily made $1,200 from just 50 AI-made photos. This is truly amazing. Awesome features of FotoStudioAI. Kickstart your agency and create multiple professional AI photos perfect for creating a portfolio or delivering stunning photos to clients. Offer your clients a diverse range of photos by generating images for both male and female models, expanding your service potential. Choose from 10 expertly trained AI models, each designed to create high-quality, unique photos for different needs, whether for business or personal use. Sell your photos with zero restrictions. The commercial license gives you the freedom to profit from every image you create. Upload as many images as you like and generate countless unique photos, ensuring your clients get exactly what they need. Your AI photos are stored securely in the cloud for 100 days, giving you and your clients plenty of time to access, download, and use them. Download your AI-generated photos as many times as you need, perfect for long-term projects and client satisfaction. Easily create custom photos for clients and charge them whatever you want. Your earnings, your rules. Set your own rates and maximize your profits, whether you're charging per photo or offering package deals. Save time with one-click photo generation. Your clients will be amazed at how fast you can deliver stunning results. Create professional-grade photos in just 5 minutes. Clients will love the speed, and you'll love the ease. Whether you're serving individual clients or businesses, this package gives you the tools to meet their needs with stunning photos. Deliver ready-to-use photos for any platform, from professional headshots to vibrant social media content, all in minutes. Offer clients photos that help them sell, promote, or attract, perfect for book covers, business branding, and even dating profiles. Want to offer something fun? Generate youthful photos that will make anyone look years younger. An instant hit with clients. No subscriptions, no recurring fees, just a one-time payment for lifetime value, giving you everything you need to start your agency today. But wait, there's more. We want to make sure you succeed with starting your AI photo studio business, so we created some must-have bonuses that will put the cherry on the cake. 30 days money-back guarantee. We stand behind the software proudly and will give you your money back if you ask within 30 days. We will however want to ask you to make sure you follow our training, attend the live workshops to improve the way you use our software, and if need be, one of our team members can jump on a call to help you out as well. Even after that you do not get the right results, we will gladly issue you a refund. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.